Alright guys, should have got me a brush. I had to get some new clips. Should have got me a brush, but I'm crunched on time. Alright guys, so I put a whole seam down here, then I put a seam inside there. So right now I'm just bolting everything up. That fender part on, I gotta get the top part. Alright guys, so I'm doing the opposite side. Like I said, I should have had a brush and all that. So I got this top part, I got to do the side, but when I put the panel on, I'm gonna have to come back and get the inside so I can seam everything up. Make sure it's done right and all that. I don't know if panel bond glue was up on this top part. I just added some on there, but I know it's for sure all there and all. Oh, as a matter of fact, yeah, it was all over the screws on this other side of the panel and then inside, but I'm putting some up here too, so this might be unnecessary. But it been so long ago, so I'm like, yeah, I need some panel bar. There's some good stuff right here though. And then I gotta get this. Alright guys, so I'm putting all these screws in. So we got both fenders on officially. I just got to go under the underside and seam the crack part. As y'all can see, I gotta run the seam all the way across down that way. Shoot, if I can get everything tidy up in here, I might just put that air box and all that on too. I'm not gonna hook, well, I'll probably hook my coolant hose and all that up too. I feel like I had a hose that hook. Oh, I had a hose that went from here to there. So this hose went there, this hose went there. Need a clamp, probably get a clamp for that. Alright guys, so I got my engine top dead center. I'm finna be installing this alternator, and that's gonna be really pretty much it. Alright guys, so I got the starter on nice and tight. I just have to wire it up when I get ready to start the car and all that. And I'm gonna have to put these wires together right here, because it's got a spade connector up top, so I'll just deal with all that later. Alright guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it. So the engine turned over fine, we got the starter on. Only thing I have to do is probably get some fogger and put in each cylinder head, tighten up my spark plugs, put everything back, remove the old gas, and see if it would crank over. The engine crank over, so that'd be good. And fill some coolant up in here. I already got my hoses attached. I gotta get a clamp right here. Then I just gotta get the other hose hooked up. I got this hose and the small hose already hooked up, so this will be looking right now. And I think this bracket right here is for the airbox, but I'm not sure. I gotta look at some old photos and stuff just to see, but I got mainly everything hooked up except for this. I wonder if I had like a cap or something, or I was trying to figure out where in the world this was hooked up at. So I gotta see where that was hooked up. I don't know. But other than that, yeah, we just gonna see, and then we have to do like all the cosmetic stuff, like inside part. We just put all the carpet and stuff back. The seats are right here. They've been covered over a year. So, and then I still got to figure out the bumper situation and stuff. Other than that, that's gonna be pretty much it. I gotta get going, and yeah.